Hey, what's up guys? Today in this video I will show you how you can add MX Player Pro on Cinema HD streaming application. Let's begin. So first of all we need to install official MX Player Pro on our Firestick. For that we need to turn on apps from unknown source because without this we cannot sideload any application on our Firestick. So hover to settings icon. Slide down and click on My Fire TV. And here slide down and click on developer options, and here you will find two options. So scroll down apps from unknown source and press remote select button. Warning message appear on your screen, so select turn on, and here as you can see apps from unknown source has been enabled. Now go back home screen by pressing remote home button, and here we need to install downloader app that is used to download third-party applications. Through this app we can install MX Player on our Fire Stick. So hover to find, slide down and click on search. Now type here downloader. When you type 2-3 word, suggestion list appear, so slide down and click on downloader. Now click on orange color downloader icon. From the next screen, it's gonna give us ability to download this app on our Fire Stick. So just click on download button and the downloader app start downloading. Just wait for a while until this is downloaded and it will be installed automatically. And here as you can see downloader app has been installed. Now select open to launch. When you launch downloader app first time, a dialog will appear asking permission to access photos, media and files. So just select allow and then click on OK to dismiss quick start guide. And guys, this is the home screen of downloader app that has only a simple box there and some menus on the left side. So just hover to small box and press remote select button to launch keyboard. Now type here official MX Player Pro URL address exactly as it's showing on your screen. After typing URL address, slide down and click on go button and it will connecting to server. After that, app downloaded in few seconds depending on your internet connection. After downloaded, installation section appear on your screen. So here slide here and click on install button. And here as you can see MX Player Pro has been installed. Now click on done button and delete this backup file because we don't need this anymore. Just click on delete and again after deleting backup file hold remote home button for few seconds. And this menu appear on your screen, so slide over and click on apps. And guys, here you will find all application that is installed in your Amazon Fire Stick device. So slide over and click on Cinema HD app. When you launch Cinema HD app, you can see left hand side 3-line menu button. So click on that, and here scroll down and click on settings. Now again scroll down and click on journal. Slide down and click on choice default player. Now slide down and click on MX player. And here as you can see, MX Player Pro has been added in Cinema HD streaming application. So guys, you can use this method to add MX Player Pro on Cinema HD applications. And I hope this video is really helpful for you. And please don't forget to click on like button, share button and subscribe button. And if you have any kinds of question, then comments down below. I will see you guys next video. Take care.